Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with... Well done! That was amazing! We all love your train set! Let's go find that toy! Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? Super! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train... Excellent! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done!